Residents of Bull Savannah are this evening appealing for state help following flooding in the community on Tuesday. The residents say they saved very little of their possessions as the flood rain happened with very little warning. The details in this report from Dwayne Anderson.
30 minutes of rainfall. That's all residents of Bull Savannah in St. Elizabeth said it took for sections of their homes and yards to be underwater. When our news team visited the area, we saw one resident moving through the knee-high water. We were told it was much higher in the hours before we got there.
It comes so fast, because in the night when you're there bed rainfall, so the water just come down. Because we know a gully coast we not still, but nobody now look for them water again. So you're there home, in your bed, water that just start rise. And before, in a split second, in the house and your cover.
I first ever see this. In a not even half hour, so something just come down, like a one cloud bus. In a half hour, the place was flood out. We couldn't know. I don't think you could save our picking them. We couldn't save our clothes, we couldn't save nothing at all. All of them was run out of the house.
Resident Marlon Williams explained they've experienced flash flooding on at least 3 occasions. But he believes poor building practices may be among the contributing factors this time.
The house that we have built up and so the drench them black up and thing. So when we walk around, we see some new drench and anything that some don't know what. Because you know, some new house are built up and construction are going, so we don't know what is what.
The contents in at least 10 homes and a small woodwork shop sustained water damage. The residents say they would welcome any sort of state help.
See there, we know a man that we can look for we and tell we what go on or make we know what go on. The council just live up there, so and him that even come and say, you know what I say? I can look rice and flour, because that's all we want, you know, because we don't want nothing.
The only clothes we have is the clothes on our back. We have nothing at all.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.